A cow painted like a zebra just hacked my brain. Not with code, with stripes. This viral clip taught me more about AI, branding, and career strategy than a $5,000 seminar. And it all starts with one ridiculous question. Why are farmers painting cows like zebras? Sounds absurd. But beneath those stripes, a masterclass in perception, positioning, and personal evolution. In this episode, we unpack the zebra strategy, how one visual glitch reveals deep truths about how animals weaponize vision and why humans trade precision for possibility. How stripes shape branding, finance, and AI disruption. And how remixing patterns sparks genius. So buckle up, because this isn't just about cows and stripes. It's about how you see and how that vision rewires everything you build.
So you've seen it. That viral clip where cows are painted like zebras, not for art, but to confuse flies. Stripes, it turns out, aren't just stylish. They're a defense system, a way to disrupt how predators see. But what if that idea, disrupting perception, goes far beyond cows and bugs? So stripes mess with fly vision. Cool. But let's zoom out. That's just one move in nature's visual chessboard. Because if stripes are camouflage, pupils are the command center. Welcome to the Pupil Olympics, where evolution doesn't blink. Cats, vertical slits so sharp they could moonlight as laser-guided ninjas. Geckos, their pupils split into pinholes like sci-fi camera rigs, each one calculating depth like a built-in drone. Goats, horizontal pupils that rotate like gimbals, so even when they're cliff-hopping like daredevil yogis, their horizon stays chill. And mantises? Their pupils are fake. Yep, optical illusions. Nature's version of, don't believe everything you see. Every shape, every trick, every twitch of the eye. It's not just biology. It's battlefield strategy. A visual arms race. And every creature's got its own cheat code. And then there's us. No slits, no pinholes, no goat-level horizon hacks. Just round pupils. Basic, right? Wrong. They're portals, not for survival, but for story. We don't just see movement, we see meaning. We decode micro-expressions, spot irony in a meme, and find constellations in spreadsheets. Our pupils aren't built for ambush, they're built for empathy, for nuance, for noticing the tear behind the smile, the pattern behind the chaos. We traded tactical vision for poetic vision. And honestly, that's a flex. What if animal vision isn't just biology? It's a blueprint for strategy. Stripe theory teaches us disruption isn't noise, it's camouflage. In finance, diversify like stripes, confuse volatility. In branding, contrast is king, stand out by blending in differently. In AI, train models to focus like a cat, scan like a goat, calculate like a gecko. So, we've journeyed through stripes and pupils, from cows confusing flies to mantises faking pupils like visual con artists. But here's the twist. Nature doesn't just see cleverly, it remixes cleverly. Every pupil shape, a remix of light. Every survival trick, a remix of perception. And humans? We took remixing to a whole new altitude. We don't just remix biology, we remix ideas. Einstein didn't invent gravity, he bent it. Jobs didn't invent the computer, he gave it a soul. Hip-hop didn't invent sound, it weaponized rhythm. Because genius isn't born, it's built. One remix at a time. Welcome to the ladder. Painting cows looks ridiculous. But so did Bitcoin in 2009. So did Facebook in a dorm. So did TikTok dances. Okay, they're still ridiculous. But ridiculous things, they're usually just stripes waiting to spread. Genius isn't magic, it's remix. Einstein remixed Newton. Jobs remixed Xerox. Hip-hop remixes everything. Every remix is a step higher on the ladder to genius. So next time you spot a stripe, a pattern, a weird trend, don't scroll past, don't dismiss it. Ask, what if I remix this? Because the future doesn't belong to those who see reality. It belongs to those who stripe it, bend it, and sell it back. This is a Viral Nudge official, where we remix the obvious into the unforgettable. See differently, think sharper. And remember, sometimes the only thing between a boring cow and a viral zebra is one brushstroke.
If this sparked something in you, a laugh, a goosebump, a new lens, we'd love it if you'd follow our channel, give us a thumbs up, and tap that notification bell. We drop inspiration like remix beats, straight from viral clips to cognitive flips. And your comments, they're fuel. They help us nudge smarter, deeper, weirder. So stay tuned, because the next episode might just turn your next detour into a design breakthrough. Before you go, what if the next breakthrough in AI isn't about speed, but about empathy? And what if your career isn't a ladder, but a remix loop waiting for its next sample? See you in the next ripple.